for tuning in, everyone. This is Rori Montali. I am so honored and so excited to bring you the 13 pathways of intimacy and connection, right? Because for years, Rori Montali was trying desperately to figure out, how do we get connected? I need some practices. I need to be in ceremony. That is who I am. I'm constantly wanting to grow and learn. And I said, okay, what can we do, all of us together, to come together, figure out where you are and have fun with this. Learn a little snippet and then get right into some activities and learn and grow, and then just practice with all the people that you possibly want to connect with, or are trying to connect, or connect with self. That's what we're doing here. We're going to have this experience through every step, 1 through 13. You can go anywhere on this app and just explore where you need to be and have fun and grab people and have fun and say, let's try this activity. Let's do this one with my dog. Let's do this and let's explore. Because when you get to this exploration, the possibilities are outstanding. Okay. They're blow your mind. And that's all I want to do, is solve the problem of your disconnect, like I've had for years. And then bring this practice every day with someone that you want to get close with, someone you want to grow with, someone that even yourself, you can grow by not even worrying about you and another person. Some of these exercises are just for you as well. So let's just get to the experience together and not hold out another second.